Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Logic and switching to Live Loops. This makes loop-based arrangement immediate. Scan your Apple loops and drag relevant folders into the library so you can audition quickly. Set project tempo and key now because loops will stretch and transpose to fit. This avoids later timing conflicts. Once done, create an empty cell grid and drop a percussion loop into the top left cell to anchor the groove. You're already building your arrangement while avoiding basic setup delays. You now arrange loops into scenes to map song structure, dragging drums, bass, and melodic loops into adjacent cells to hear combinations instantly. Use the loop editor to slice and quantize transient points when timing feels loose. This tightens pocket without changing groove. For variety, transpose or add simple fades and reverse snippets. Duplicate cells before heavy edits so you retain the original. Make sure to name and color code cells. Visual grouping speeds navigate. You finish by recording your chosen scenes into the tracks area, which converts loop performance into a traditional arrangement you can fine-tune. Once recorded, apply automation for dynamics, glue edits for clean regions, and bounce stems for external mixing. If something sounds off, first verify project tempo and key. Mismatches cause warping and pitch shifts, then inspect transient markers. Reslicing often fixes rhythmic artifacts. Finally, save incremental versions so you can revert if a change breaks the groove. This prevents lost work and keeps creative momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.